Welcome to a world where tradition meets innovation. In today's video, we're diving into the stunning harmony of colonial architecture blended with contemporary design. Experience how timeless elegance and modern simplicity come together to create a home that's both classic and cutting-edge. Starting in the living room, you'll see how colonial charm, like intricate crown moldings and grand fireplaces, is reimagined with sleek modern furniture and bold decor choices. From cozy seating arrangements to soft ambient lighting, these living rooms are designed to make a lasting impression while still feeling like home. So, grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's explore the perfect fusion of the past and present. Step into a kitchen where tradition cooks up something fresh. These kitchens seamlessly marry colonial design elements like shaker cabinets and coffered ceilings with modern innovations such as sleek stainless steel appliances and quartz countertops. Picture a spacious island bathed in natural light, perfect for everything from family dinners to casual brunches. Subtle details like matte black fixtures and geometric lighting add a modern twist to the timeless charm. It's a space where classic meets contemporary to create a true culinary haven. Ready to see how elegance and functionality blend in these inspired designs? Imagine waking up in a space that feels like stepping into a luxurious retreat. These bedrooms combine colonial grace, like decorative moldings and large sash windows, with modern touches such as low-profile beds and soft, neutral-toned decor. The play of light from sleek pendant lamps and large windows creates a calm and inviting atmosphere. Clean lines and minimalist furniture bring a sense of simplicity that perfectly balances the detailed colonial backdrop. It's a perfect sanctuary where classic refinement meets modern comfort. Let's uncover these dreamy designs. Take a bird's-eye view of homes that are truly one of a kind. These colonial-style houses feature timeless elements like white columns and symmetrical layouts, accented with contemporary additions like sleek glass extensions and rooftop gardens. The juxtaposition of rustic brickwork and modern steel brings depth and character to every facade. From well-manicured lawns to minimalist courtyards, every detail reflects a careful blend of elegance and innovation. It's a look that tells a story of heritage, reimagined for today's world. Ready to take in these awe-inspiring designs? Step into a bathroom where every detail whispers elegance. These designs blend the timeless appeal of claw-foot tubs and decorative paneling with sleek, modern glass enclosures and floating vanities. Soft lighting and warm textures create a serene, spa-like ambiance, while intricate tile work adds a nod to colonial artistry. Whether it's a long soak in the tub or a quick refresh at the vanity, these spaces make every moment feel indulgent. It's the perfect combination of old-world charm and contemporary sophistication. Let's explore these peaceful retreats. Gather around in a dining area that's more than just a place to eat, it's an experience. These spaces pair colonial architectural elements like tall wainscoting and ornate chandeliers with sleek modern dining tables and bold accent chairs. Subtle decor choices such as geometric rugs and metallic finishes bring a fresh twist to traditional designs. Whether it's a formal dinner or a casual family meal, these dining rooms set the stage for unforgettable moments. It's where heritage meets hospitality in the most stylish way. Ready to feast your eyes on these elegant designs? Step outside into a space that feels like an extension of your dream home. These outdoor areas combine the grandeur of colonial architecture, like stately columns and brick pathways, with modern features like sleek fire pits and minimalist seating arrangements. Lush greenery and thoughtful landscaping create a serene escape, while contemporary pergolas and geometric pavers add a fresh perspective. Whether it's enjoying a morning coffee on the porch or hosting a chic garden party, these spaces offer the best of both worlds. Ready to explore these picturesque outdoor retreats?